Welcome to BD Daily Tech News Podcast, your daily briefing on tech and innovation. Today is 2026, July 8th, and the theme is simple. AI agents are no longer just answering emails. They are trying to run factories, wireless networks, data centers, and bank workflows.
So the robots went from writing meeting summaries to becoming operations managers. Honestly, that is career growth, but with fewer awkward LinkedIn posts.
Story 1. NVIDIA published a guide on building an analysis AI agent for industrial alarm management using NVIDIA Nemotron. The problem is that industrial machinery can generate more alarms than technicians can realistically triage, especially when every alert needs historical context.
Simple version. Imagine your factory is a very dramatic group chat. Every pump, valve, and sensor is typing urgent, and the AI agent is the one friend who actually scrolls up before replying.
Exactly. The tech idea is retrieval plus reasoning. The agent pulls past events, maintenance notes, and equipment signals, then helps explain what deserves human attention. For normal people, this matters because fewer missed alarms can mean safer factories, less downtime, and more reliable products.
I like it, but I do not want a machine hallucinating that a boiler is just having a vibe. If AI is helping with physical infrastructure, the boring words matter. Logs, audits, escalation rules, and humans with actual authority.
Story 2. NVIDIA also highlighted AI native RAN and NVIDIA AI Aerial for improving spectral efficiency in wireless communications. The key number is huge. Telecom operators in the United States have spent more than $240 billion on spectrum over the last 30 years.
Spectrum is basically invisible real estate for phone signals. And apparently, it costs so much that if your video call freezes, somewhere a telecom accountant sheds a single premium tier.
The simple tech version. AI native RAN tries to make the radio network adapt more intelligently, like a traffic controller for wireless signals. Instead of fixed rules doing all the work, models can help allocate resources as conditions change.
Here is my disagreement. Every company says AI will make networks smarter, and sometimes that means we added a dashboard with gradients. Convince me this is not just 5G wearing a tiny AI hat.
Fair roast. The credible part is that wireless traffic changes constantly, and better spectral efficiency can improve capacity without buying endless new spectrum. Now, Story 3 connects to that. NVIDIA says its Vera CPU boosts AI factory throughput for agentic workloads.
Agentic workloads are not just one model answering one prompt. They are messy little office workers, reasoning, using tools, calling APIs, retrieving documents, executing code, and then asking for a snack break called more tokens.
That is the point. GPUs handle heavy model computation, but agent systems also need orchestration, memory, networking, retrieval, and fast handoffs. For developers and IT leaders, the action item is to benchmark the whole workflow, not just the model demo.
I will reverse my earlier cynicism a little. If agents are becoming tiny software teams, then the CPU is the project manager, and suddenly project management sounds useful. I hate when infrastructure makes a good point.
Story 4 comes from MIT Technology Review's newsletter, The Download. It covered discussion around a possible family stake in OpenAI, with the headline figure of $300, and also noted a Treasury AI warning.
To be clear, nobody should hear $300 and start shopping for a yacht shaped like a chatbot. The serious issue is whether the gains from AI productivity are shared broadly or captured by the people who already own the computing castles.
Story 5. OpenAI says MUFG is using ChatGPT Enterprise to build an AI-native organization, improve workflows, and deliver AI-powered financial services at scale. We will keep this tech-focused. The headline is enterprise deployment, not stock talk.
The simple version is that a big regulated organization is trying to turn AI into plumbing, Not a shiny faucet in the lobby, but pipes behind the walls, document workflows, coding help, internal knowledge search, and careful human approval.
Quick recap. Agents are triaging factory alarms. Wireless networks are getting AI native. AI factories need better end-to-end throughput. AI wealth sharing is becoming a policy question, and enterprise AI is becoming infrastructure. The practical takeaway? Learn how agents use tools, memory, and governance, because that skill set is becoming valuable across tech roles.
And if your company says it is becoming AI native, ask one rude but useful question. What workflow actually changed? If the answer is, we made a slide, congratulations. You have discovered PowerPoint native transformation.
Tell us in the comments which AI agent use case feels most real. Factories, telecom, data centers, public policy, or enterprise workflows. Subscribe to BD Daily Tech News Podcast for more clear, lively tech briefings, and we will see you in the next one.